I am Ananya Jain, a high school senior, fervent feminist, and the founder of Rhythms of Resilience. This project recognizes the ubiquitous issue of gender based violence in conflict zones. It aims to spread awareness and raise funds for the issue through Kathak, an Indian classical dance form. I hope to inspire the public to take action by educating and helping existing NGOs further their cause. In the future, I aim to represent victims and interact with officials to address this issue holistically. I have started this YouTube channel to spread awareness and reach a global audience for this global issue. My dream, my drive, and my passion for change were fueled by various things. I want to follow in the footsteps of Amal Clooney with her work against ISIS and with the UN, and the 19-year-old activist Rima Sultana Rimu with her projects on refugee literacy and care. As a literature enthusiast, I find the work of Margaret Atwood, Chimamanda Adichie, and Sylvia Plath vital to my growth as a feminist. Most importantly, my observations in my hometown Delhi, the widespread sexual violence cases glaring at me from the newspapers, the disturbing look we as women receive while simply walking on the streets, the stories of dowry deaths, and also my research on female feticide have inspired me to take effective action. Moreover, as a history buff and political enthusiast, I have ardently been following international wars which brought to my attention the widespread relevance of gender based violence in conflict zones. I have been dancing since I can remember and have also observed this discrimination, perhaps unconsciously, since that same age. I wanted to merge my passions as art is one of the most profound forms of expression and translations and create this project. I have ideated and choreographed performances on GBV in conflict zones that I have been and will be performing on. Art is powerful. It penetrates through minds, souls, and hearts. And I hope to do so with my performances while also generating funds and donating them to NGOs supporting the cause. Through art, I hope to ingrain the widespread prevalence and horrific consequences of this issue within people, encouraging them to join the changemakers. I will be uploading my performances and videos on different aspects of this issue to this channel so you can be aware of them too.